Hey, what if this song was in Japanese?
New collection? This one?
This one.
Ah, this one. New collection. Okay.
This is the bestseller one with the mochi on it.
Okay. Okay.
How much is that one?
Just asking.
Kasi sa Korea, they have this one.
Yan yung pang-convention mo.
Okay, you can check this one. Only one.
Check, check.
Is this the last?
Yes. Tignan mo yung ano.
Para sa'yo talaga.
Yeah.
Here is my card.
Para sa'yo talaga po.
Oh, like this one.
Okay, separate credit cardนะคะ
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yes, yes. Okay.
Your back have to be shown in the phone, number 4. That's why you cannot loading for your back.
Ah, okay.
Some product you can loading, some product cannot. You can ask the custom inspection first.
Okay.
You have to change the cash.
Is this before checking in?
Before check-in.
Before checking in the immigration?
Yeah, because you have to show the product.
Ah, okay. We need to show the product, but we can use the product.
You can
No,
use.
we can use here,
Yeah.
then we just put it back on the bag.
He uses the information he got from the Marines to resume his pursuit of Blackbeard.
One-piece cover stories that you might have missed. When Ace arrived at Lelouja searching for Blackbeard, he befriended Moda, a milkmaid who asks him to deliver a letter to the G food that she had given him. Ace agrees to her request. Aware of his status as a notorious